This is so easy and delicious, I almost lost my mind. Steak bites over cheesy mashed potatoes will be your favorite dish. Let's get cooking. Grab 5 potatoes. Cut them into thick chunks to get them ready for a quicker boiling. Fill a pot with water, place the potatoes, and boil for 20 minutes at medium heat. Grab a pan and melt a quarter butter in low heat. Add 750 grams of diced beef into the butter. Add half a tablespoon of salt and stir. Close the lid and cook the beef slowly at low heat for the next 90 minutes. Peel an onion and chop it thinly. Grab another pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add chopped onion. Add half a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of paprika pepper, mix it and start cooking at low heat. Close the lid. Grab 4 garlic cloves. Chop them into small pieces. Add garlic into onion, give a good stir, and keep cooking. Check the potatoes with a fork and strain them when they are soft. Put the potatoes into a bowl. Mash the potatoes. Grab a plate and a grater. Grate 200 grams of cheddar cheese into a plate. Add 50 grams of butter, half a tablespoon of salt and cheddar cheese into the potatoes. Mix it until you get a smooth consistency. You've got your mashed potatoes. Close its lid and leave it. Grab 200 grams of mushrooms and chop them. Add mushrooms into onion and garlic mixture. Give a good stir and keep cooking for a final 20 minutes. Grab 50 grams of fresh parsley and finely chop them. Grab a bowl, add 50 grams of tomato puree, half a glass of water, and half a tablespoon of salt. Mix it until you have a sauce consistency. Turn off the heat when the mushrooms are cooked. Cook the meat for a final 5 minutes when the water is completely absorbed. You can serve 4 people with everything you have cooked. Let's plate. Grab 3 tablespoons of the potato and plate it as the base for your dish. Next, add 2 tablespoons of onion and mushroom mixture as the second base. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of meat. Add the tomato sauce. And finally sprinkle a little parsley over your dish. It's ready. Look at this beauty. I'm Ahmood and I cooked steak bites over cheesy mashed potatoes for you. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.